These are some really nice quality made tongs from Zulay Kitchen. Just really, I love the color tone on them. It's like a copper tone. It has like a silicone top to it and also a silicone side. So when you are using it, you don't have to worry about it being too hot for you. It does come in two different sizes. You have a small and a large size, but just really, really quality made. I love it. At the end, you have the locking mechanism so you can pull it out and it locks it in place so you don't have to worry about opening up in your drawer. And you can also double that and hang these off if you need to hang them on something in your kitchen, just being perfect for that, or when you're grilling, put it on your barbecue. So these are really heavy duty, really nice quality. From the pictures, you might not see how quality it is, but in your hands, you're like, this is nice, it's fancy. Really like these a lot. Highly recommend them, and thanks for watching. Now.